Hey guys, it's Old Boy, and this is a Catholic household. Okay, it's a Catholic household. Right there, we have Jesus, or in Vietnamese, we call Yesu, a wooden thing. Xin chào. Oh, such a cute baby, so cute. Where are you going? Right now, Old Boy is at Banh Cuon. Look at that. You know, you guys, a lot of you guys who are watching this, these are the memories of childhood that you guys miss, okay? That Old Boy, okay, is giving to you right now. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Look how fresh that is. She's making it right there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And she's taking it, putting I don't know what that is, but anyways, look at that. Look at how she's making it. You know? That's beautiful. That's an image of childhood. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bao nhiêu tuổi? Em tên gì? Some Yesu. Oh yeah, she knows. Some Yesu. Okay, yeah. She's religious. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Anyways, so this is Banh Cuon. Look at that. So that's how she's making it right there. It's beautiful. You know? Look at that. You know? That's how it's done. That's how it's done. So that's mine right there. Okay, this is so fresh, or in so fresh. It's very fresh. Or fresh. I'm sorry. That wasn't very funny. That was a bad imitation. Okay. Oh, okay. So here I am, having some Banh Cuon. Okay, look at that. You guys like that? This is what you want. This is what you're craving for. Okay. Check out Kale.net.